Let's understand one thing very clearly. What the Supreme Court said, its observations it made, reprimanding her, everything else, was, I feel, wholly justified considering the kind of comment she had made. I feel it was completely justified. And I myself was very critical of the things she had said. Now, the fact that the Supreme Court reprimanded her and said, look, you're a person who's made these comments which you ought not to have made, and in whatever language the Supreme Court felt their views on it should be expressed, that is one thing. Whether to combine the FIRs and centralize it in one place is a different question. The court's observations about her comments is completely different from the question as to whether all the FIRs, instead of being pursued in different jurisdictions by different police stations, and very often it can even clash against each other, it being centralized is something the courts have consistently done. This is not the first time, and I'm sure it won't be the last as long as social media is there. It will be done. Now, the Supreme Court's order here has nothing to do with the Supreme Court's observations on what they felt about her various comments. That's a totally different issue. Combining the FIRs today was something which is quite in the ordinary. It is the normal course of action that the FIRs be combined in one place. I think the objections being taken is, why in Delhi? Why not in Maharashtra? Why not in Kolkata? Because right now I have my fellow panelist who says it should be Maharashtra. We have the TMC party saying it should be Kolkata. We have somebody else saying somewhere else. Now, leave that to the Supreme Court to decide where it can be centralized. But that doesn't mean that the court has shown any kind of difference. In fact, the court has shown the same treatment to Nupur Sharma that they've shown to everybody else when there are numerous FIRs. The court's observations on what she had said and done is totally different. Merely because you may reprimand somebody very strictly for what they've done doesn't mean that you will not follow the norm of combining of seeing that all the FIRs are centralized and brought to one place. They are two different things. And the court did not quash the FIRs. The court said, let it be investigated. And
absolutely,
it ought to be investigated.